YouTube Nation, it's your boy Big. Welcome to my Black Universe. Let's talk about figures communication. Now, I've had this phone for quite some time. I was going to do an unboxing video. Still got the footage for that. I'll probably throw it at the end. The family was awake and doing stuff, and so didn't release it when I thought it was. Like I said, I had the phone for a while, and I've actually used it and used the service. I'm currently using the service right now, which I'm actually impressed with. I'm getting unlimited internet for $50 a month as opposed to $60 a month for Cricket, so that's a plus. But they have their own devices, which, if you look at it, this phone is actually quite beautiful with the gold right here, glass back. Now, I end up cracking the back, not even outside. You can see right here. But in here on the desk, I had it up top. It hit the desk before it hit the floor, and this is the end result. But outside of this phone's lovely. You got the gold plating on the side. It hasn't chipped. It's a very hefty phone as far as weight. So if you need to protect yourself, you can smack somebody with it. But in all seriousness, this is a very quality, premium feeling phone. And it looks good. Now, let's start it up so you can see animation. The figure's logo. Now, this is called the F1. This is 32 gig version. And this phone is actually from last year. You can get it for $149.99 from their website directly. There we go. Now, yeah, let's do this. It does have a fingerprint sensor, which is kind of wonky at times. It'll read it, and sometimes it won't read it. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, so it's getting all notifications. God! Let's disconnect from the Wi-Fi right now. No, we're not talking to anybody. So you can have the screen off. So use your fingerprint sensor. See, I'm not pressing any buttons. Fingerprint sensor. It works. I like that. Like I said, it's a very, very nice phone. But it's suffering from one huge problem. We'll do this. And most of you who are really big on Android will catch it right off the top. And that is, it's running Android 5.1. So let's talk about that for a second. 5.1 is super old in the tech world. We're currently at the top of the peak, so to say, the pinnacle of Android is Android P, which is the beta testing that's going on right now. If you have specific phones, like if you have the Google Plus 2, the Google Pixel 2. I bought a ZTE Blade V8 Pro last year. It had Android 6.1. $230.
You know it, just ride with me.
And
You
that
can
was,
see
I thought
the
that
other
was
side
very
with me.
sweet.
Stay down, you can fly with me. Walk the sky with me.
Having to
Ain't
go
no
back
reason for
to
the
such
ground
an
with me.
old
Sky's
Android
the limit, ain't high with me.
needs to
But
go
you
up there.
fly with me. Rock the latest, ain't
I'm
alive
so
with me.
angry
Ain't never
because
knew the likes of me. But stay
the
up
feedback
and
is
never
happening,
lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride with me. So just ride with me. You can see the other side. Stay down, you can fly with me. I walk the sky with me. Ain't no reason for the ground with me. Sky's the limit, ain't high with me. But you don't fly with me. Rock the latest, ain't alive with me. Ain't never seen the likes of me. But stay up and never lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride for me. So just ride. Never been hot while you're mile high. First class, just dream, but it's no dream. Champagne over champagne, and the best shit can't name. But the shit dripping on me. New Benz with the roof down. New Pearl with the new finish. We'll let the sun shine brain in it. Nigga make a whole lane switch. It's all in my vision, I make it my business. To finish, I make you my witness. They missing the nigga, that's none in my business. Back in Reno, I ain't taking my focus. I said it, I meant it, goddamn it, I wrote it. I'm real and you know it. Something you never see. Shit was just never a part of me. Trying to be laid on the beaches of Bora. Losing my morals like niggas they never see.
That's great.
And what you know about me? I like two-face thick ass. I see real bitch that'll bust a 4-5 if beat. Niggas lit up on the window by BLACKOWNED. Come fly with me. Other nigga you will never find out.
So bad.
Where you wanna go, I make it fine by me. Make it happen, putting in the time by me. Just let a nigga know that you gon' ride with me.
I'd rather
you can see the other side with me. Stay down, you can fly with me. Walk the sky with me. Ain't no reason for the ground with me. Sky's the limit, aim high. Leave will jump fly with me. Rock the ladies ain't alive with me. Ain't never knew the likes of me. But stay on and never lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride with me. So just ride with me. You can see the other side. Stay down, you can fly with me. I walk the sky with me. Ain't no reason for the ground with me. Sky's the limit, aim high with me. Will jump fly with me. Rock the ladies ain't alive with me. Ain't never seen the likes of me. But stay on and never lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride with me. So just ride. Ever been out on the boat, got full yacht, 10 miles up the coast. Ever seen falls on the Great Wall or the Great Star so close, make you think of the most. Ever see the speed in the Lambo, suicide yo, 10K in the back in the bloat. Ever seen James in the fast lane on the big screen? Well now you can see from the float. They never know, don't be the one missing the show. Acting like you never know, I'm letting you know. I'm not the one you wanna know. I'm driven, I'm after these goals. Stop wasting my time, ain't wanting to shine. Pay all them salty ass bitches, no mind. Committed to mine, I'm winning with time. Stay with the vision, no falling behind. Wish a fuck boy would. Tried everything you could. Shot from the line 4 times. Who tried? That's mine. No play, nigga. Just no good. Might kick from the 2-piece, nigga. Go full wall. I'm behind mine. Say a word about triggers. You gon' need both niggas. That's real. Never lie by nigga. Hey, just ride with me. You can see the other side. Stay down. You can fly with me. Walk the sky with me. Ain't no reason for the ground with me. Sky's the limit. Aim high with me. But jump fly with me. Rock the ladies ain't alive with me. Ain't never know the likes of me, but stay on and never lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride with me. So
now,
just
outside of the hardware,
see the other side. Stay down,
outside the software,
I walk the sky. Ain't no reason for the ground with me. Sky's the limit, aim high with me. Jump fly with me. Rock the ladies ain't alive. Ain't never seen the likes of me, but stay on and never lie to me. And I'ma hold you down, just show you gon' ride with me. So just ride with me.
Protector on the back. First, some of the fine scratches. That's not the glass itself. Okay, let's take this off. Good enough a little bit, so you can see. I'm gonna lie to you. Oh, look what I did to this glass back, man. You can see a little bit of residue right there, but fine scratches on the plastic. So I feel like Figures had a valiant effort, and hopefully with the F2, they've leaped into the future. I know it has fast charge. From what I see on the renderings, there's no fingerprint scanner, which I'm not too thrilled about that. I don't know if they use the face unlock or iris scanner. If they are, that's dope. But all the great hardware specs in the world, and having such a futuristic phone is great, as long as you have software that can take advantage of it and give the customer a great user experience, or else they're just gonna have a very expensive phone that they're not gonna want. They're gonna want their money back, and they're gonna put it down, or they're not gonna suggest it or recommend it. And with that being said, I'm in this video, and at the end of this video, I'm going to do the unboxing. You won't hear anything audio. I'm playing music in the background because my kids were up and they were acting fun. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all your love and support. Until next time, peace and blessings. Ashe.
I cannot relate, I'm after the safe. Die for my people, I'm talking my culture. But many are vultures, they kill off the great. Too many are fake, but never can eat from my plate. The truth will keep them awake. Playing it safe, my nigga, you're sealing your fate. Just listen, I make him awake. Sitting and wait, inside of a weight. A dose of reality, not for debate. I carry the weight of people who gave us away. To hummus, my nigga, I pay. Ain't nothing they say, we're getting my weight. Cherish the day, the sun in my face. This nigga behind you, gotta remind you. Smoking the ganja, find the Wakanda, nigga.
I got a vision and I can see it. I got some people hoping and wishing that I fall down, but I'm 10 toes down, 'cause I see better days, better days, better days. Get out my way, I'm here to stay, and I gotta pray, niggas in my face, but I see better days, yeah.
Dollars and dreams, fuck do you mean? Moving the ladder, it's all a routine. It's all in my genes. It's purple, the color of rain. The prince grew into a king. Ain't no in between. Plotting the scheme. Kill off a nigga that's wanting their green. Run through a team when really you niggas are tripping. It's us against the machine. They picking them clean. So what do I mean? Lying to niggas that's watching their screen. Telling the nigga that we are united, but killing the nigga. The fuck do you mean? Dead on the scene, all in the ravine. Nigga, he never got out of his teens. But these are your sister, your brothers, your father, or mother who died because of our genes. Okay, nigga, phase 2. Folks hate from the facts I done told you. They mad as fuck cause I'm real as fuck and I don't give a fuck. I burn shit to dust, they won't have enough. But down in the valley of death, waking them up. How the fuck do you listen to suckers that's hating your vision? That shit ain't enough. You niggas give up. I'm an echelon nigga. That mean I can think my nigga. No trend, I'm behind my own dick ride. No man, I done won that nigga. Send them in hide, my nigga, I'm gliding. Stay with the mission till niggas are silent. Nigga, I'm sliding. Gangsta, you niggas, I feel it. The real will never be dying.
Dedicated to the ghetto, calling now. All my thugs in the ghetto, calling now. Yeah. Better days, get out my way. I'm here to stay. See better days. Yeah, I see better days. Yeah. Life's a roller coaster, got my hands up to the sky now. The only time that's ever guaranteed is right now. So with that in mind, I make every bar count. I'm a good Christian, making brash decisions. Labeled a hard-headed child since I was living up. Yeah, that mean I got my mind made up. So if it look like I'm falling behind, no need to wait up. Haven't reached my final form, that's another story, another day, another time to grind. I gotta get that cake, that bread, that cheddar, whatever you call it. Yeah, that green up in my wallet, that made me think in the pocket. So, and thinking straight ain't really my forte. No, you thinking the same, you just too proud to admit it. I'd rather be creative than follow somebody's shadow. When I'ma kill every verse down to my final outro. What a time to be alive right now, ladies and gentlemen. You already know. Hold up. Living it up, living it good, don't kill my vibe. Put your ones up in the sky tonight. Can't let the time pass me by, pass me by. Won't let the time pass me by, pass me by. I've been chillin', been winning, been the illest, been at the top, homie. Why don't you pay me a visit? An immature attitude like an adolescent. Can ask anybody that really know me. College kid kicking it, I chill with a couple homies. So you know how that go, and you know how that be. I know I should be studying, but checking that shawty. Swear she got my mind running like a muffin to track me. But I mean, you should've seen